There are the following accessories available: chamber, oxygen concentrator and air compressor, air cooler, internal frame, flat plate, tubes, oxygen mask, silencer, internal and external pressure gauge, user manual, adjustable back chair. Put flat plate in the bottom at first. Close the bottom zipper. Install external pressure gauge. Internal pressure gauge needs to be equipped with accessories. Install internal pressure gauge. Connect the water drainer and electric wire. There have 4 tubes, too thick and too thin. First thick tube connecting air outlet. Machine air outlet connecting wet air in. Dry air out connecting chamber. The middle access ports. Oxygen outlet connected left access ports. Air return connecting right access ports. Plug-in power supply. Turn on the machine switch. We can also keep pressing, hands not leaving the machine, until to 90 minutes. We need to make sure manual pressure relief valve is closed before entering into chamber. Install internal frame. Install bottom frame at first. And connect to short tubes. Then plug 3 tubes on upper side. Connect the bottom and upper support parts. Install internal frame after pressure read. Process same as shown outside. Note, it needs to open the manual pressure relief valve after installing the internal frame in the cabin. Silencer plugs in middle access ports. Install adapter. Then connect the oxygen mask. Put in a chair. We need to make sure manual pressure relief valve is closed before entering into chamber. Now we can enjoy our oxygen therapy journey. Pressure will be released automatically when time's up.